Okay, now I'm going to talk about closing a corporation. When you close a corporation, like when you open a corporation, it's always involve two steps. One, you need to close it in a federal level, which is the IRS, and then you need to close it in the state level, which is the state you are located. So we are now in California. Most of my clients are in California, so the step to close a corporation will be, first of all, to close it with the state. So in California, I will send there is a form called the DISSTK. That form actually is to close a corporation. There's also another form that if the corporation existed less than 12 months, I don't remember the name of the form, but it's a different form, short term corporation that you need to close with the state. So after we close the corporation in the state, which the process takes sometimes about 2 weeks to even a month, there is another thing is that you wait till the end of the year, and when you file the taxes, you're gonna go file the taxes for that corporation, and you would actually click on like it's a final return. Then you close it with the IRS. Once you do that, you can be sure that the corporation is dissolved in the state and with the corporation. It's very important to close the corporation in the state, especially in California, because in California they might actually levy your account, your personal account, if you don't do things correctly with California. Now, another thing is very important is that you should, if your corporation is suspended and you want to close it, you must make sure why it's suspended. Most likely you didn't file your taxes. So you must file those taxes. You must file the statement of information. Sometimes it gets suspended just you didn't file the statement of information. So in order to make it active, you have to file, make it current and do it with the statement of file the statement of information, and then you do the reviver to make it active, and then you dissolve the corporation. So before you open a corporation, you close a corporation, you must check the status of the corporation, make sure it's active. In other states, not California, they don't really enforce you about if you are not continuing with the corporation. Sometimes you can, like in Nevada, you don't necessarily have to close the corporation. You just can let it die, and they're not enforcing anything. And you can just let it die, and just make sure you close it with the federal level, with the IRS. You file final return. Thank you very much.